Hi guys, I'm Alan. This channel is going to be all about 3D, and I'm hopefully going to be able to share the knowledge that I'm gaining as I learn it with you guys in tutorials, or you can just learn from what I'm making. I might do time lapses, little tutorials of my own, things like that. A little bit of background to me: I like games. I like things like Bastion, Zelda, Bioshock. Those are some really good games that I love. And pretty much I just want to learn. At the moment I'm learning Blender, but it could be any kind of 3D software later on. I want to take what I learn and try to share it with you guys in a simple and easy way to understand after I've already learned it, hopefully taking away the complexity. But then again, some topics are still too complicated. But hey, I'll try. Yeah, and I'm looking at learning things like modeling, sculpting. I want to play with some video stuff as well, um, VFX and stuff, see what I can do with that side of things. Some of the video ideas I've got so far that I've brainstormed are working on explaining the Blender interface, the basics of materials and shading, smoke, water, and fire simulations, time lapse of some modeling, low poly style stuff, maybe making a die like a dice, either 6-sided or 20-sided or something like that, just because it's a simple project to jump into. Uh, why I like Blender and why I think it's a great thing. Blender keyboard shortcuts. Bastion, in that game, there's some really cool weapons. Maybe I could remake something like that in Blender and show how my thought process went into designing them or remaking them, as well as remaking some World of Warcraft scenes or some cool film sets or something like that. If I get any commissions or projects, if I'm allowed to, I would like to share those kind of workflows and stuff like that with you as well. So hang around and see what happens.